this video, we'll show you how to use ThreatStream as an MCP server for Claude AI, so it can query Anomali's threat intelligence platform for real-time insights. To use MCP servers with Claude, you would need a Claude account and Claude's desktop app, Node.js package manager, and your ThreatStream username and API key. Download and install the Claude app from the Claude website. Go to nodejs.org and download the long-term support version and install it. Alternatively, you can also install Node.js through package managers of your operating system. Refer to these command lines for installation. Log in to ThreatStream. On the My Account page, under the Account Information is your API key. Click Reveal to show your API key and copy it. From the Claude desktop app, navigate to Settings, then Developer. Click Edit Config. Open the Claude desktop config file. Replace the empty bracket with the following text. Replace user with your ThreatStream username. Replace the API key with your ThreatStream API key. Save and close the file. Close the Claude desktop app and relaunch it. From here on, every query taps directly into the world's largest threat intelligence repository. Let's try it out. With just one click, the power of ThreatStream is yours.
Latest, actionable threat intelligence put control back in your hand, delivering valuable insights without complexity.